How does the external, also known as male condom, work? Let's have a look. It's a barrier method. Condoms are made of very thin latex or rubber, and they catch the sperm as it is released to stop it from entering the vagina. Using it is easy. Pinch the tip of the condom with your fingertips and unroll it over the erect penis right before sex. Condoms come in different sizes, and a new condom must be used each time you have sex. Some pros are: it can be used on demand, it can be easily carried with you, and it's the best protection against sexually transmitted infections. Some cons are: it interrupts sex. It can tear or come off during sex if it is not used properly, and some people are allergic to latex condoms. Find further information about the condom on our website, and take our Which Contraception is Right for Me quiz to find the method that suits you best.